How do you perform vertical shifts? Well, let's say you have some function f of x, and you want to take the graph of this function and shift it up by k units. All that we do to accomplish this is we take f of x and we add k to it. So for example, f of x equals the square root of x. If we want to take this curve that we see in red here, and we want to shift it up by 6, let's say, we add 6 to the square root of x. And it just takes this red curve and it doesn't change its shape. It just bumps it up 6 units. Well, now that you've seen that, probably the next thing we do won't be very surprising. If instead of wanting to shift up, we want to shift down, then instead of addition, we have subtraction. If instead of wanting to shift up by 6 units, we want to shift down by 2 units, we subtract by 2. And there you go. That's, as a final illustration, here's the square root of x plus k. When k is positive, this is addition. We are shifting up. Let's get k back to 0 and look at the square root of x minus k. And now we're shifting down. And however complicated this function is, the absolute value of x cubed minus x squared minus x. I wanted that entire thing inside the absolute value. This is a pretty gnarly looking graph, but if we want to shift, we can shift it up, f of x plus k, or we can shift it down, f of x minus k.